Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga release ng Notice of Cash Allocation para sa PBB 2023. Tingnan po natin ang listahan ng mga schools at divisions na meron na nito. Ito, nangunguna ang Kansilayan Farm School, Cataleno Sulingin National High School, Miranda National High School, Colonel Griffin National High School, Don Hilarion G. Munzaga Memorial High School, Tabaw National High School, Division of Negros Occidental, nako, 130.5 million pesos. Ito pa, Andolawan National High School, Antipulo National High School, Gilhungan National High School, Agpangi National High School, Bugang National High School, Kaningay National High School, Negros Occidental National Industrial School of Home Industries, Rafael B. Lacson Memorial High School, Andres Gumban Memorial National High School, Enriqueta Montella de Esteban Memorial High School, Eva J. Montella Farm School. Congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, Colpapa National High School, Buluangan National High School, Pontevedra National High School, Tubuso National High School, Ibi Magalona National High School, Tabo National High School, Tigbao National High School, Ginpanaan National High School, Manalad National High School. Naku, congrats po sa inyo. Meron na po kayong Notice of Cash Allocation para sa PBB. Kasama ang Bukana National High School, Dr. Antonio Lizares National High School, San Isidro National High School, Pontevedra, Tansa National High School. Kahit yan po ay trabahuin na kaagad, baka sa Friday meron na kayong pera niyan sa inyong mga ATM. Kung hindi man sa Friday, sure na yan sa next week mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito pa, Florentina F. Caña Recto Memorial High School, Negros Occidental High School, Payao National High School, San Enrique High School, Valladolid National High School, Kamalandaan National High School. Ito pa, Don Simplicio Lizares Memorial National High School, Lopesiana National High School, Murcia National High School, Barangay Alegria National High School, La Castellana National High School, Quirico G. Manzano Memorial National High School, Kaningay National High School, Candoni Extension. Ito pa, Kabukungan National High School, Hinigaran National High School, Isabela National High School, Manapla National High School, Pahilanga National High School, Sofronio Carmona Memorial National High School, Tinungon National High School, Binalbagan National High School, or Paglaom National High School. Ito pa, Bulata National High School, Kawayan National High School, Tuyum National High School, Inocencio V. Ferrer Memorial School of Fisheries, or Talisay School of Fisheries. Ito pa, meron na ring PBB ang Labi-Labi National High School at Biao National High School. Nako, congrats po sa inyo mga ka-Jesnabs. Yung pong lahat ay I think galing sa Region 6, ano? Sa Negros Occidental. Okay, mga ka-Gsnabs, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye!